Okay, so got the rat rod frame, the motorhome in the garage, and I started hacking on this a little bit ago to get this. That was where the cubby was, and I got a lot of that cut out. And I should have probably put the GoPro on. What do you call it? Time lapse, but I forgot, so I'll do it from here on out. Got the rear clearance I was looking for by cutting off all that 8 foot of frame. Still got about another 12 inches available to push it back, but we're about 3 inches from the garage door when it closes, so we're pretty tight. So I'm going to just keep hacking on this until we get her out.